You may not like to look at this picture, but it is good for the price of silver and gold. I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. Gold, silver, precious metal mining stock investors, it has been a painful month, but I believe there's a plan in Washington, a strategy. You know those guys, they're always strategizing and doing things kind of under the cover, if that's the way you want to say it. I believe I figured out what they're doing. It has to do with the Fed. It has to do with crashing the economy, crashing the market, crashing the housing market. But in the end, it marks a return to easy money policy and higher metals prices. I've got all that and a lot more. Let's get started. Inflation, right? It's a hot button target. It's a big problem right now. Biden knows he needs to fight inflation, or at least act like he's fighting inflation. So what does he do? He gets good old Jerome Powell. He lets good old Jerome Powell stay at the head of the Federal Reserve, be uber hawkish in this quote unquote attempt to fight inflation, crash the economy, crash the stock market, crash the housing market, crash everything, right? And think about it. Then he can use Powell as a scapegoat. Powell was never his man. Lael Brainard was his woman, or is his woman. And guess what? She's a dove. So think about this. Biden knew he was screwed, okay? Why would he want to have his person at the head of the Fed when he's going to have all these drastic, austere type measures underway and be held responsible for? Well, look, your person made the economy crash. Your person made the housing market crash. Your person made the stock market crash. No, he wanted Jerome Powell, poor Jerome. He wanted Jerome Powell to take the fall. Hey, thanks for joining me in Ron's Basement. Without you, there would be no Ron's Basement. You matter. I appreciate you being here. If you could give my video a thumbs up, maybe share it, subscribe to my channel, or you could even leave a comment in the comment section below. I put out content darn near every day, so don't blink. You might miss something. He wanted Jerome Powell, poor Jerome, he wanted Jerome Powell to take the fall. And then guess what? He can fire Jerome, put his Lael Brainard in there, and she'll start printing money again and make everything better. But what we know is this. All she's going to be doing is digging a deeper hole. And at the bottom of that hole, she's not going to find any gold or silver, because we already have it all. And we'll be watching the price go up and up and up. So that's what I think is going to happen. I'd be curious to hear your thoughts, but I think we have a strong possibility this could all unfold sooner as opposed to later. Biden did not want his appointee to do the dirty work. He wanted Jerome Powell to do the dirty work, and then for his appointee, Lael Brainard, to come in and save the day. And wouldn't it be nice if that were to happen right before the midterm elections? That'll give you something to think about. Hey, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate your company in Ron's Basement. There's another video here, and you can subscribe right here. Have a great day. I will see you soon.